Welcome to iBuzz Zone Channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of maintaining railway switches and signal levers in Indonesia. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for the latest updates. Let's get started. Near both mooring holes, the lever handle against the handle tool must be fitted with sinyal pengentar. Check the spelling between tuas langgar and bidang langgar at the end of galurnya using the tuas penggupil hendel, and there should be no spelling mistakes. Both tuas langgar should rest on their semit pembatas. Check if the arret handle is pressed until the moving pin is almost out of the handle housing hole, approximately 3 mm. Then, the upper end of the pusher, semit penggunci, each handle must be equipped with 2 guide plates, indicating the securely attached handle number. Each switch handle must be equipped with plumbier wire against its switch wheel, and on the edge of the handle wheel with the forked handle, it must be painted red. Check the chain anchor bolts against the handle wheel, which must be equipped with simat bala, and all bolts must be securely fastened. All moving parts must be lubricated with oil. Near both mooring holes, the lever handle against the handle tool must be fitted with simat pengentar. Check if the stopper handle is pressed until simat arret is almost out of its housing, about 3 mm from the handle housing. Then, the 2 highest surfaces at the end of the pusher, simat 18, must be level with the outer surface of the handle wheel to prevent the bending of simat 18. All bolts and pins must be securely positioned. The chain holder on the handle wheel must be equipped with a split pin. The cover plate above or below the handle wheel must be securely bolted and sealed with wire. Each handle must be equipped with 2 guide plates, indicating the signal handle number and securely attached. Moving parts must be lubricated with oil.